In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails for Zoho CRM workflows. If you want your CRM to follow up consistently without manual effort, setting up automated emails through workflow rules is the way to go. We'll walk through it from start to finish so you can create a reliable, personalized automation that runs every time your chosen conditions are met. Start by opening Workflow Rules. In Zoho CRM, go to Settings, then choose Automation and select Workflow Rules. This is where all your automations live. It helps to have the module you're working with in mind, like leads, contacts, or deals, so everything stays organized. Next, create a new rule. Click Create Rule, pick the module you want to automate, and give your rule a clear, descriptive name. A helpful tip is to include the action and trigger in the name, such as Lead Welcome Email on Create. This makes it easy to manage later. Now, set the trigger for when the email should be sent. You have three options. Choose on Create. If you want the email to go out the moment a new record is added, perfect for welcome or confirmation messages. Choose on Edit. When the email should send after a record is updated, great for status changes or follow-up conditions. Or choose Date or Time-based if you want the email to go out on a specific date or time, useful for reminders, renewals, or scheduled follow-ups. Pick the one that matches your use case so timing is always right. Add an action to send the email. Select Email Notification, then either choose an existing email template or click Create Email Template. If you're creating a new template, this is your chance to define the subject, body, and tone so the message aligns with your brand. Configure the email details carefully. Select who should receive the email. This can be the lead owner, the contact, or specific email addresses. Use merge fields to personalize the message with details like the recipient's first name, company, or deal stage. This keeps your emails relevant and human. Keep the subject line clear and concise, and make sure any links or signatures are correct. When you're happy with it, save the template. Finally, save and activate the workflow rule. Review your trigger and recipients, confirm the selected template, and activate. From now on, emails will be sent automatically whenever the trigger occurs, keeping your communication timely and consistent without extra work.